Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can make designs. We have to open our project and in root directory you have to choose app folder. Inside sources you have to click on main drawable and then right click and new drawable file, and here you have to give your name. I am giving here gradient underscore background because this is a gradient file with the different colors. Yeah, here it is .xml file. Here I will replace selector with the shape because I want a rounded shape of my button. Basically now I will give solid because I want color. You can give one color with the using of solid. You can see I have give blue color to my box. Now I will give corners to it. First of all we have to give shape. We can give here oval, rectangle, rings, anything. I give rectangle to it, and then you can see it is in rectangle shape, and then I will give corners. Here we have lots of options. I will close it with the angle brackets. Yeah, here you can see there are lots of options to give radius, upper, lower, bottom, anything. I have get all the, you can see little bit corners will round up. I will increase it so you can easily catch up all things right. You can see my design here. Similarly you can give bottom left radius. You can see other part is not rounded, but the left bottom corner is rounded. Similarly I will give all the corners one by one. You can see in my next video I will show you how to give this solid to the different color. Here I am use only one color, but in some cases we want some shadows and color and elevations, and how we can use it. This is the main purpose. In the next video I will show you how to use it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned guys. Bye bye.